Okay, let's go over this. Because what I'm noticing on the quiz is people are not being careful about adding up the bars. So they get the denominator wrong. Once you have the denominator wrong once, what happens to everything?
You're all wrong.
They're all wrong and they're worth lots of points. So be careful as you add up bar 1, bar 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you add up all the bars, hand in the air, what do you get? Donnie, what did you get?
32.
Okay, how many of you got 32? Let's make sure we agree. Be very careful. This might not, well, I'm pretty dang sure this is not the same graph on your quiz, so make sure you add up the bars on your quiz. Okay, so out of 32, how many times was the 3 spun? 3. So you look at bar 3, look over to the left, it was spun 3 times. So, let me change the font just a little bit. Our fraction is 3 out of 32. Nod your heads if you agree. On the quiz, just that piece is 1 point. Fraction alone is 1 point, so gotta be careful. Now you divide it. 3 divided by 32. 3 divided by 32. Did you get 0.09?
Yeah.
We rounded 0.09. Shout out, what's the percent?
9%.
How many of you got that? How many points is a fraction worth? Decimal? Percentage? How many points is just number 1 worth?
3.
It's a whopper of a quiz, so be careful. Number 2. Number 2, we have spinning a multiple of 4. Okay, I need a hand in there because some people were confused with that concept of a multiple of 4. Caleb, what does multiple of 4 mean?
Something 4 can go into equally.
Perfect. He said something that 4 can go into equally. So, can 4 go into 2 equally?
I did this. So.
Multiples of 4 start at 4 and then they count by 4s. So 4 is a multiple. What else is a multiple?
8.
4 and 8. So there's 2 of them, right? But how many 4s were spun?
6.
How many 8s were spun?
4.
Put them together, it's 10. So for this one we have fraction 10 over 32, or I'll take the simplified version, divide by 2, 5/16.
Oh man.
Grab your calculators, divide it. 5 divided by 16. Sergio, what'd you get? 0.31. Are we sure it's 31 or is it 32? 31, alright. Just want you to be careful.
Oh,
There
we
you
got
go.
100.
Nice. Okay, Josh, tell us what you did for number 3.
3. I did 5, 7.
5 and 7. So how many times was 5 spun?
5.
7 was spun? 2. Okay, put them together. What'd you get, Josh?
7.
Nice. 7 over 32. Josh, what did you get for your decimal? 7 divided by 32?
0.22.
22. So that's 22%. How many of you agree with Josh? Thank you, Josh. Number 4. Remember I told you, sometimes on quizzes I get the question, do we count 3 on this? Because 3 is not greater than 3. So you have to add up bar 4, add bar 5, add bar 6, add bar 7, add bar 8.
I did that wrong then.
Sadie, what'd you get? 20 out of 32? Big.
Oh man, I got 21.
Yeah, be careful, be careful.
That's
Or
because I added 1 and 2 in it.
divide it by 4. 32 divided by 4 is 8. Okay, grab your calculators, type it in. 5 divided by 8. Sadie, keep going. What'd you get? 0.63. So that'd be 63%. How many of you got that one? Okay, so be careful with multiples. Multiples, you start at that number and you go up if you count by that number. Okay, any questions on this? How many? I got that. I just gotta be careful. Be careful as you add the bars. Okay, next ones look like triangle. Okay, let's go over number 5 first. The first fraction is just flipping heads. So flipping heads, what's your fraction probability for flipping heads? I agree with Cooper. 1 out of 2. How many of you agree with Cooper? Yeah? So that's the first fraction. Second fraction, rolling a multiple of 3. So how many options are on a die?
6. So
Multiple means you start at 3 and you keep going. So which numbers could you roll? 3 and 6. So there's how many options? 2 out of
6.
Okay. What do we do with this 1/2 and the 2 6? Perfect. Times them. Top times top. Bottom times bottom. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 6 is 12. Or you can simplify it. I like simplifying it because then I look at it and sometimes I have it memorized. This has come up so much in this chapter, I now have it memorized. 1/6 is 0.17, which is 17%. Do you guys agree with me? Did any of you get that one?
Me.
That's a lot of you. Okay, perfect. Let's go to number 6. Number 6, what's the fraction for flipping tails? 1 out of 2. rolling a number greater than 2. How many are there? 3, 4, 5, 6. So there'd be 4 of them, right? 4 out of 6. Top times top is 4. Bottom times bottom is 12. Or you can simplify it to 1/3. Another one that I have memorized. Does anybody have this memorized yet?
I do.
I just know that it repeats.
What is it?
So round to the hundredths. So you get 33%. How many of you got that one? Number 6. Yes, more of you. Okay, last one, number 7. Not flipping heads. What's the fraction? It's still 1 out of 2, right? Because you would get tails. So 1 out of 2. And not rolling a 6. How many?
Oh, it's 5 out of 6.
5 out of 6, right? Because you can get anything but a 6. So top times top is 5. Bottom times bottom is 12. 0 point something. I don't know. Help me out. What is it? You can shout it out, guys.
0.42.
42. So that's 42%.